Folks, today we're going to talk about professional service companies that may dominate the next big rally. Imagine that. The latest retail data from the Fed was very strong, and close to 80% of the companies have beat expectations. And the Fed appears to be very liberal with the current tapering plan. Now, the market continues to trade near all-time highs, and I believe we're going to have a major sector rotation in the near term. Now, I believe the higher rates are going to catch up to tech, and companies that have greater exposure to the broad market will have a much better chance to see upside, especially till we figure out how the narrower profit margins will impact the next few quarters of the economy. Moreover, higher rates are historically beneficial for financial stocks. And today, I want to talk about two professional service firms that are looking really solid as we head into the end of the year. First stock, Marsh & McLennan Companies. It's the world's leading professional service firm in the areas of risk, strategy, and people. The company's more than 60,000 colleagues advise clients in over 130 countries. Fundamentally, it's an insurer or a reinsurer company with a consulting and risk management division, as well as a mutual fund company. In 1970, it bought the Putnam Investment Fund family. 1 year return, 47%. $190 profit target in 12 weeks. I like this stock. Next stock, we've talked about this stock several times here, and I think it's just heating up right now. Ticker symbol RHI, Robert Half International. It's the world's first and largest specialized staffing firm. Now, this has helped clients and job candidates find their right fit for their staffing or employment needs. Now, Robert Half is a recognized leader in staffing, consulting services. 90% is what the stock gave us over the last 12 months. The stock is up 90% year to date. That's quite a bit. PE ratio is just 25, and it has a steady dividend of about 1.3%. I've got a target of $130 over the next 12 weeks, and we may even see it supersede that level. I think what's going to happen over the next couple of quarters is we're going to see a major sector rotation away from the large cap tech, which is very sensitive to interest rates. And I believe much of the supply chain shortage issues are priced into the market. So once these semiconductors and large cap techs stop the major rally that they're having right now and pull back, I think a lot of that market capitalization is going to go into large cap blue chip stocks, because with heavier inflationary pressure, investors will want to seek more yield from dividend income. Hope that helps. Folks, Wall Street knows that the key to beat inflation is by trying to flood the stocks that are set to outperform. Now, it just makes perfect sense. But what if I said that there's a way to uncover those stocks before the giant surge? Well, thanks to the stock market trigger that's already allowed me to lock in winners like 36.92% on APTV in 7 days. What about 53.66 on PWR in 4 days? Even 83.87% on Albemarle in 6 days. Everyday traders can now. You guys can do it too. Click on the link below to learn how to spot these stocks and get the one ticker that just triggered. Make sure to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market. Be the first to be notified when I post my next video.